Welcome to our channel. I hope this video is useful. How to use pen and paren.
Words with pen and paren are mostly abstract nouns, things we cannot touch, see, or feel. Many of these nouns come from verbs and, as such, they carry some element of action in their meaning. This is rather different from many KN words which are also abstract nouns, but in which no action is implied. However, not all pen and paren words come from verbs. Some are noun-based, which makes them more like KN nouns. Because of their abstract nature, pen and paren words are abundant in areas of language use where abstract concepts are required, such as newspaper and magazine articles, books, academic writing, and talk about economic, historical, political, and other issues.
Pen.
Most pen words are derived from men verbs. This is why the sound changes in men verbs are also found in pen words.
Memakai.
To use.
Pemakaian.
Use, usage.
Memandang.
To gaze.
Pemandangan.
Scenery.
Membaca.
To read.
Pembacaan.
Reading.
Membangun.
To build.
Pembangunan.
Development.
Membeli.
To buy. Purchase.
Pembelian.
Purchase.
Membuat.
To make.
Pembuatan.
The making of.
Menanam.
To plant.
Penanaman.
The planting of.
Mencium.
To smell, kiss, sniff.
Penciuman.
Sense of smell.
Mendengar.
To hear.
Pendengaran.
Sense of hearing.
Menginap.
To stay the night.
Penginapan.
In, motel.
Mengirim.
To send.
Pengiriman.
The sending of, dispatchy.
Menjual.
To sell.
Penjualan.
The selling of, sale.
Menulis.
To write.
Penulisan.
The writing of.
Menyeberang.
To cross.
Penyeberangan.
Crossing.
Men con and men I. Some pen and nouns also come from men con or men I words.
Membicarakan.
To talk about.
Pembicaraan.
Talk. Discussion.
Menduduki.
To occupy.
Pendudukan.
Occupation.
Menemukan.
To find.
Penemuan.
Pending. Discovery.
Menerjemahkan.
To translate.
Penerjemahan.
The translating or translation.
Mengetahui.
To know.
Pengetahuan.
Knowledge.
Menggunakan.
To use.
Penggunaan.
Use. Usag. For and.
Many paren nouns come from verbs and, therefore, like their pen counterparts, most of them have an element of action in their meaning. There are no sound changes involved with paren nouns.
Berbeda.
Differ.
Perbedaan.
Difference.
Berbuat.
To do. Commit.
Perbuatan.
Behavior.
Berdagang.
To trade. Do business.
Perdagangan.
Trade.
Berjalan.
To walk.
Perjalanan.
Trip.
Bertanding.
To compete.
Pertandingan.
Competition.
Bertani.
To farm.
Pertanian.
Farming.
Bertemu.
To meet.
Pertemuan.
Meeting.
Note: the consonant R in the prefix ber disappears when attached to the base work.
Kerja.
The paren noun derived from this verb follows the same pattern, thus,
Pekerjaan.
not,
Pekerjaan. Bekerja.
To work.
Pekerjaan.
Work. Job.
In some cases, words having the same base word can be transformed into either men dash, gon slash I, or ber verbs. And from these verbs we can get either pen or paren abstract nouns. Each affixation results in a different meaning.
Other Puran nouns.
Some other Puran nouns are rather irregular in the sense that they are not systematically derived from verbs. The following are either from men-gon/I verbs or from base words.
Bintang.
Star.
Perbintangan.
Astrology.
Coba. Mencoba.
To try.
Percobaan.
Experiment.
Film. Memfilmkan.
To film.
Perfilman.
Film industry.
Kota.
City.
Perkotaan.
City areas.
Nikah. Menikah.
To get married.
Pernikahan.
Wedding.
Pinta. Meminta.
To request.
Permintaan.
Request, demand.
Pustaka.
Reading.
Perpustakaan.
Library.
Tolong. Menolong.
To help.
Pertolongan.
Help, assistance.
Pay. N.
Some other abstract nouns are prefixed by p rather than pen or per dash, unlike the ones we previously encountered. These nouns have irregular bases. Some are from base words, some are from men-gon, some are from her dash.
Gunung.
Mountain.
Pegunungan.
Mountainous.
Hilly areas.
Desa.
Village.
Pedesaan.
Village. Country areas.
Gadai. Menggadaikan.
To pawn. Pawn shop.
Kubur. Menguburkan.
To bury.
Pekuburan.
Graveyard.
Mukim. Bermukim.
To settle.
Pemukiman.
Settlement. Summary.
Most Penan and Puran words are abstract nouns, some are concrete nouns. Most are derived from verbs and, as such, they contain an element of action in their meaning. Some are from nouns, much like Kayan nouns. Many Puran nouns are from verbs. Some others are either from men verbs or from base word. Pen nouns are from either men or verbs or from base words.
Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.